Princeton Select Angular Shaders are a very versatile brush. By pressing straight down, you can create small dots, and by adjusting the angle that you tap, you can get triangular shapes, and by adjusting your pressure, you can get larger. It's especially well suited for creating thin lines for grasses. By adjusting the pressure on the brush, you can create thinner or thicker lines. It also works very well for creating petal shapes. The Angular Shader is one of the most versatile brushes. They're really great. They can cover large areas like a flat brush, but because of their unique shape and the angled tip, I'm using System 3 acrylics with the long flat edge or lines for stems. By pressing it down at an angle, you can create leaf shapes. By using the very tip, I can create small dots, and depending on how wide I set my brush down, I can get thin or thick leaves. Depending on the way that I press down on my brush, if I use just the tip, I can get little round dots pressing straight down. If I press at a little bit of an angle, I can get more triangular shaped petals. And then if I press really hard, you can get quite large petals. Makes for very organic looking flowers. They look very realistic. Short flower petals, really natural looking shapes. Very, very quick and easy to do using this brush. I can go in and make very small details. Add some stems or veins in my leaves. Makes it very easy to get into these little tight spaces. Add some tiny details.